Good morning. Good morning, all of you. Do you have any problem from the exercise of that combined solid?
Sir,
Is there any
question
problem?
number 9A.
9A. From a solid cylinder of height 12 centimeter and base radius 5 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and base is hollowed out. Find the surface area of remaining solid. Are you observing 10B, which we discussed yesterday?
Yes, sir. So we have to find the surface area, total surface area of that cone.
Let me draw. Wait, here it was asked to find out volume. A bit difference is there. 10B में वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करना बने थे, यहाँ चाहिँ सरफेस एरिया फाइंड आउट गर्न बने थे. Okay, so let me draw figure for it and then I will explain it for you. This is one cylinder, as you can observe on the screen, and from this cylinder, as shadow is given in question number 10B, similar type of conical portion is removed out from it. यो बाट यसरी निकालियो conical portion, that means this one is removed out. यो portion यो cylinder भित्रबाट निकाल दियो. And now question is find the surface area of remaining solid. Remaining solid को surface area निकाला भने छ. Remaining solid भनेको बाहिरपट्टि what is there outside cylinder. त्यसैले फर्स्टमा सिलिन्डर को यो कर्व सर्फेस एरिया निकाल्नु पर्यो. Okay, that means we have to calculate curved surface area of
cylinder and then subtract from curved surface area.
No. Curved surface area of cylinder, and there is one base also. यसको बेसमा के छ त सर्कल छ. So area of circle plus next one the portion which remains inside. यहाँबाट एउटा कोनिकल पोर्सन बाहिर निकालिसकेपछि यो भित्र कोनिकल पोर्सन देखिन्छ कि देखिदैन सर्फेसमा. यो जुन शेडेड रिजन छ यो हामीले यहाँबाट निकालिसकेपछि यहाँनिर भित्र पनि त कोनिकल पोर्सन देखिने हो. That also we have to add on it. That means curved surface area of cone. So it is same as the other figures in which conical portion is outside the cylinder. Cylinder माथि conical portion भएको बेला पनि surface area निकाल्नको लागि के गर्थ्यौं हामी? Curved surface area of cylinder, area of circle plus curved surface area of cone गर्थ्यौं. यहाँ पनि यो surface area भित्र नै गएको छ, त्यसैले त्यो एड गर्नुपर्छ. Okay, did you got it?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Got it.
And given things are height, यो यसको vertical height दिएको छ, त्यति नै cone को height पनि हुन्छ. And next one diameter is given. Sorry, A number. Radius is given. Radius is given means we can find out the slant height by using Pythagoras theorem. L square is equal to h square plus r square is where slant height आउँछ. That is usable to find out curved surface area of cone. And for surface area, curved surface area of cylinder formula is 2 pi r h. Area of circle pi r square. Add these all and you will get the surface area of this solid. Let me describe some remaining things also from here. I think there is no problem in these.
Yes,
Maybe
sir.
there is problem in some questions related to figure 5A and 5B are similar. 5A we did here. 6A and 6B are similar. उस्तै छ नि यहाँनिर slant height दिएको छ, यसमा हामीले radius find out गर्नुपर्ने हो. In 6B we have to find out radius by using Pythagoras theorem. यो radius को value r को value निकाल्नु पर्ने by using L square is equal to h square plus r square, and other process is same. It is tent, and for the tent if we have to find out total surface area, just we have to calculate curved surface area of cone and curved surface area of cylinder. And next one 7A, the volume and base area of given figure are 600 cubic centimeter and 100 cm square. यसको भोल्युम पनि दिएको छ, यो फिगर को भोल्युम पनि दिएको छ, यसको बेस एरिया पनि दिएको छ. and height of cylindrical part is also given. Cylindrical part को height पनि दिएको छ, and we don't know the height of cone. Cone को height हामीलाई थाहा छैन. यसलाई h भन्यौ, एउटालाई h1 अर्कोलाई h2 भन्यौ भने if it is h1 and if it is h2, h2 is the height of this conical part only, as I denoted it here up to here only. पुरै यो find out गर भनेको छ. h2 find out गरिसकेपछि h1 मा add गर्नुपर्ने हो. So volume is given, that means volume of cylinder is equal to area into height, area base into height, isn't it? This is the volume of cylinder. Area of base दिएकै छ pi r square, h जुन भन्छौं यो area of base नै हो 100 cm square, and there is h1 in place of h, so here we have to put h1 plus volume of this cone means 1/3 area of base into height. Height is h2 for cone. Cone को height h2 छ भनेपछि यो दुईटा एड गरिसकेपछि के हुन्छ त, it is equal to the total volume. Total volume which is given to us here 600 भन्ने total volume दिएको छ. यो दुईटा भ्यालु एड गरेर आउँछ a into h1 plus 1/3 a into h2, and h1 is given 5, only h2 is not given. अब यो सिम्प्लिफाई गरेपछि h2 आइहाल्छ. Then we have to add h1 and h2 to get the total height in question number 7A. So I think it is easier for you, so I left it for you. Question number 7B, the ratio of height and cone. The total height of solid is 30 centimeter, and the height of cone and cylinder are in the ratio of 2:3 भनेको छ भने let height of cone be 2x. At first height of cone लाई 2x मान्नु पर्यो, height of cylinder लाई 3x मान्नु पर्यो, and according to question total height is, what is the total height? 30 centimeter. Question मा total height 30 centimeter भनेको छ, अनि यहाँबाट x को भ्यालु आइहाल्छ. 5x is equal to 30. If 5x is equal to 30, we can find out value of x, or what is the value of x? X is equal to 6. 6 5 is 30. X is equal to 6 आयो भने height of cone कति हुने भयो त? 2x. 2 into 6, that is 12. Height of cone is 12, and height of cylinder 3x. 3 into 6, it is equal to 18. If we know height of cylinder as well as height of cone, and we have diameter also, diameter छँदै छ भने radius पनि आइहाल्छ. Radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Diameter is 14, then radius is 7 centimeter. Then easily we can find out the needed value, that means volume of the solid object. यसको भोल्युम भनेको 1/3 pi r square, कोन को लागि h1 माने भने 1/3 pi r square h1, and if height of cylinder is h2, pi r square h2 only. Now next one, question number 8. We did this question, and 8B you can simplify. Here the ratio of slant height and vertical height of conical part are given. Vertical height 29 for the cylindrical part, and slant height and ratio of slant height and vertical height of conical part. AO is to OB is 13:12. That means let vertical slant height be, not OB, AB. AB is to AO. Slant height is to vertical height. So we have to say let slant height be 13x and vertical height be 12x. Slant height like 13x मान्नु पर्यो, vertical height like 12x. Then total surface area of this solid is asked. So by using Pythagoras theorem, find out the radius, and the total surface area of solid is given. Total surface area of solid means pi r l plus 2 pi r h plus pi r square. माथिको कोनको curved surface area pi r l, curved surface area of cylinder 2 pi r h, and area of circle pi r square. Put those values and get value of x. x जुन हामीले 13x र 12x मानेको थियो त्यो x को value हामीले find out गर्नुपर्ने हो. Then after getting value of x, we can calculate the volume easily because we know the height of cylinder as well as we will know the height of cone also. Cone को height पनि आइहाल्छ. So can you complete it as like 8a? 8a मा यहाँनिर कोन र हेमिस्फियर दिएको थियो भने यसमा कोन र सिलिन्डर दिएको छ. Otherwise process is same for 8a and 8b. And now 9a we discussed few minutes ago. 9b. A circus tent is cylindrical in shape up to height 12.5 meter and conical above it. I think you got the meaning of it. यहाँनिर के भनेको छ भने एउटा सिलिन्ड्रिकल शेपमा टेन्ट लगाएको छ, सर्कसको टेन्ट, and above this cylindrical part it is conical. यो cylindrical part भन्दा माथि conical टेन्ट छ, cone shape. That means it is the combined solid of cylinder and cone. Cylinder र cone combine भएको solid figure हो भन्ने बुझे पनि हुन्छ. And height up to cylindrical part is 12.5 meter. First height given is this one. यहाँदेखि यहाँसम्मको height दिएको छ. And diameter of tent is 16. This diameter is given means we can find out radius also. And height of conical part is 15 meter. यो माथि 15 meter छ. This is 15 meter. Diameter is given. Height of cylindrical part is given. It is said to find out the surface area of tent. First मा यो vertical height दिएको हुनाले हामीले radius calculate गर्नु पर्यो by using Pythagoras theorem. Sorry, radius is given. We have to calculate slant height. Diameter बाट radius first मा यहीबाट निकालिहाल्छौँ. Diameter is 16 means radius is 8. This will be 8. And vertical height is 15. Vertical height of cone 15 and vertical height of cylinder is 12.5. First use this 8 and 15. 8 र 15 use गरेर slant height निकाला. Slant height निकाल्छ total surface area of this tent. This is the tent. Tent means we don't have to add the base area. Base area add गर्नु पर्दैन. Pi r.
12.5 is only height of cylinder, na?
Circus cylindrical shape up to height of 12.5. Cylindrical shape 12.5 सम्म छ.
Yes.
And it is said that height of the conical part is 15 meter. Conical part को height 15 meter भनेको माथिको height 15 meter छ भनेको छ.
Yes.
And we have to find out slant height. After getting slant height, pi rl plus 2 pi rs is total surface area of the tent. Now question number 10a. 10b we already discussed yesterday. A solid object is made up of hemisphere and cone. It is similar to 8a. 8a मा पनि hemisphere र cone थियो. Total height of the object is 14.6 centimeter and height of the conical part is 9 centimeter. Find the surface area of solid. Did you got the meaning of it?
Yes, sir.
Object. Let me draw it by freehand. This is hemispherical object and there is the cone above it. Its total height is given. Total height. What is its total height?
14.6.
14.6. And height of the conical part? Height of the conical part is 9. And then what will be the height of this lower part?
5.6.
Yes, we have to subtract this 9 centimeter from 14.6. अब यो lower part को height भनेकै के होता?
Radius.
This is equal to the radius. And if we know radius as well as height of cone, we can find out the slant height. हामीसँग radius पनि छ, height छ भने slant height निकाल्न सक्छौं. And then total surface area is equal to pi rl plus 2 pi r square. Then let's move to next exercise to complete remaining questions of this exercise. Next exercise is related to geometrical bodies, where we have to find out volume, number of bricks, number of stones needed, total cost to calculate, as we did in grade 9. 9th class में पनि हामीले यस्तो सिमिलर क्वेशन्सहरु गरेका थियौं। त्यस्तै क्वेशन्सहरु यहाँ क्याल्कुलेट गर्दैछौं। एन्ड समटाइम्स यु हैव टु युज फर्मुला अफ area of quadrilateral, triangle, etc. So for revision, I included these things: volume of the wall, if length, breadth, and height are capital L, capital B, and capital H. Volume of wall LB into H. Volume of brick small l, small b, small h. And number of required bricks is capital V divided by small b. Capital B is volume of wall, small v is volume of one brick. Sorry, and volume of brick, it is obtained from this formula. यसै फर्मुलामा क्रस मल्टिप्लिकेसन v लाई यता ल्याए अनि n लाई यता लगिदिएपछि यस्तो फर्मुला बनेको, nothing more than that. And volume of wall, just to calculate this capital V, only this v is taken to the left side and it becomes v is equal to n into small v. And similarly, if a cost of brick is C, cost of one brick is C, and total cost is T, sometimes total cost may be denoted by C and cost of one brick is denoted by R. त्यसलाई रेटले पनि डिनोट गरिन्छ, एउटाको प्राइसलाई रेट र टोटल कस्टलाई C. So it total cost is equal to number of bricks into cost of one brick. एउटा ब्रिकको कस्टलाई नम्बर अफ ब्रिकले मल्टिप्लाई गरेपछि टोटल कस्ट आउँछ. So this is the simple thing, and from it we can write n is equal to T divided by C. Just by taking it here, यो यहाँबाट यहाँ ल्याएर बनेको divided it, and C is equal to T by n. अब यहाँ के गरे त C is equal to T by n भनेको n लाई यता ल्याएर डिवाइड गर्नु, C is equal to C by n. And in the case where area is given, area as well as rate and cost. Rate means cost of one and cost means total cost. If these things are given, in that case, to find out cost, total cost, this C represents total cost here. Previous C in previous formula and these C are different. यो तल लास्ट लाइनमा भएको C र माथिल्लो लाइनमा भएको C डिफरेन्ट हो है. In last line, this C means total cost, area into rate. Rate represents the cost of one piece or one square unit. Area is equal to cost divided by rate, and rate is equal to cost divided by area. So this formula we will use here in exercise of this geometrical bodies. And in the same chapter, we will discuss about some shapes. That means the combined solid, as we discussed previously. अघिको एक्सरसाइजमा युज भए जस्तो कम्बाइन्ड सोलिडहरु यहाँ पनि युज हुन्छ. फर एक्जाम्पल, यु क्यान टेक द पिलर्स अफ स्कुल गेट. स्कुल गेटमा मानौ एउटा यस्तो पिलरहरु छन्. जस्ट दिस इज वान एक्जाम्पल. माथि यस्तो चुच्चो भएको पिलरहरु. सो हाउ टु फाइन्ड आउट एरिया एज वेल एज टोटल कस्ट टु कन्स्ट्रक्ट इट, अबाउट दिस अल्सो विल डिस्कस इन दिस च्याप्टर. नाउ लेट्स मुभ टु exercise of it. Exercise 7.5. The area of square base of water tank is 9 meters square and height of the tank is 2 meters. Find the capacity of tank in liters. Area of square base is given. There is a water tank whose base is square and area of square base is 9 meters square and height of tank is 2 meters. I think you understand the figure. This is one square tank whose base area is provided to us. Base area हामीलाई दिएको छ. Base area means, let me draw a shadow here. यो area दिएको छ and its height is 2 meters. This vertical height is 2 meters. This is given to us, and from it we have to find out capacity of tank in liters. And we know volume is equal to area of base into height. This is the formula. Area base into height is the formula for volume of cuboid or square base cuboid. Square base मा बनेको cuboid rectangular object छ भने यसको volume is equal to area into height हुन्छ. So by using simple formula area into height, we can find out the volume. And why to calculate volume? There is the reason. It is said to calculate the capacity. Capacity means the volume, space occupied, or capacity. Capacity भनेकै volume हो. And after calculating, we will get this in meter square, meter cube. यो volume हाम्रो meter cube को form मा आउने हो. Meter cube. And to convert meter cube into liters, we must multiply that meter cube by 1000. आएको meter cube लाई 1000 ले multiply गरे भने यो convert केमा हुन्छ त? It will be converted into liter. At first we have to find out volume, then that volume must be converted into liters. Let's move to its solution. Area of square base is 9 meter square, height is 2 meter. Volume we have to calculate, and we have volume is equal to area into height, which is 9 into 2, 9 to the 18 meter cube. Now to convert this 18 meter cube into liters, multiply it by 1000, because 1 meter cube is equal to 1000 liter. So capacity of tank in liter is 18 into 1000, that is 18,000 liters, and this is our required answer. Let's move to next question. Look at question number 3. I left question number 2 for you. The adjoining figure is piece of land where BD is 24 feet, AM is 10 feet, CN is 14 feet. Find the total cost of paving the bricks at the rate of ₹7 per square feet. Rate is given in square feet, per square feet. स्क्वायर फिटमा रेट दिएको छ भने फर्स्टमा हामीले एरिया निकाल्नु पर्यो. वी हैव टू क्याल्कुलेट द एरिया अफ दिस ल्यान्ड वेयर बीडी इज गिवन मीन्स इट्स डायगोनल इज गिवन. बीडी इज डायगोनल एन्ड एएम एज वेल एज सीएन दिज आर द परपेन्डिकुलर्स टु द डायगोनल. डायगोनलमा ड्र गरेका परपेन्डिकुलर हुन्, यिनीहरूलाई P1 P2 अथवा H1 H2 ले डिनोट गरे पनि हुन्छ. And diagonal is denoted by D. And we know the formula of area of quadrilateral, that is 1 by 2 D times H1 plus H2, or 1 by 2 D times P1 plus P2. यो perpendicular P1 र P2 ले denote गरे भने area quadrilateral is equal to 1 by 2 D times P1 plus P2. If you want to denote these perpendiculars by H1 and H2 as the height of triangles, then it will be 1 by 2 D times H1 plus H2. So now in its solution, just I am going to calculate its area, and after that we will multiply area by rate to get the cost of paving bricks. ब्रिकहरु यसमा बिछाएको कस्ट कति लाग्ला भन्नको लागि एरियालाई रेटले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु पर्यो. BD means diagonal, which is 24 feet. AM I denoted it by height of upper triangle H1 10 feet, and CN as a height of this lower triangle BCD H2 14 feet. And we have formula area of quadrilateral is equal to 1 by 2 D times H1 plus H2. Put values. 1 by 2 D means 24 times 10 plus 14. If we will cancel out it, 12 to the 24. So remaining value here is 12. 12 into 10 plus 14, it is 24. Again, 12 into 24, it is 288 square feet. And rate of paving is given ₹7 per square feet. Then the cost of paving C is equal to area into rate, which is 288 into 7. In total, it is 2016. Then I left other questions for you. I included question number 6. There are two pillars of the same shape and size in the gate of house. The pillar is cuboid from the dimension, cuboid form of dimension 1 feet into 1 feet into 6 feet, and pyramid of height 1 feet is kept on the above of each pillar. Find the total cost for the tile put on in pillar at the rate of rupees 52 per square feet. At first there are two pillars at gate. Gate ma duita pillar haru छन्. Let me draw this here as I have drawn previously. एकछिन अगाडि draw गरेको थिएँ त्यस्तै figure हो है. It's not different. This is one pillar at one gate. एउटा गेटमा भएको पिलर. अब यस्तो पिलर दुईवटा हुने and at the top there is pyramid. पिलर को माथि pyramid shape पनि बनाएको छ. And it is said we are going to pave the tile on it. यसमा टाइलहरु लगाउनु पर्ने छ भने चाहिँ यसको बाहिरपट्टिको एरियामा. There is one more pillar of same shape and size. त्यस्तै shape and size को अर्को पिलर छ यहाँ. I am going to draw that also just roughly. Okay, actually both are equal, but in my figure both are different. So for one pillar, uppermost part is pyramid, lower part is cuboid. Its dimension is 1 into 1 into 6. That means it is 1 feet. This is also 1 feet, and this is 6 feet. Your height is to 6 feet. So to find out its area, we have to find out its area of 4 walls only, because this bottom remains inside the ground. यो ग्राउन्ड भित्र पर्छ, isn't it? बटम ग्राउन्ड भित्र पर्छ अनि यसको टप पिरामिड भित्र पर्छ. यो पिरामिड भित्र पर्छ. यसको एरिया पनि निकाल्नु पर्दैन. जस्ट वी हैव टू क्याल्कुलेट एरिया अफ 4 वाल्स. एउटा वाल को एरिया जस्तो फर एक्जाम्पल इफ इट इज एल, यसलाई एल ले डिनोट गरेका छौं, यसलाई एच ले डिनोट गरेका छौं भने area of one wall will be L into H, and there are 4 walls, so its area of 4 wall will be 4LH. Plus we have to calculate the curved surface area of pyramid also, or area of triangular faces or lateral surface area, that is 2AL, and there must be L1 because L is already used. L त्यहाँ युज भइसकेको छ भने यहाँनिर हामीले L1 युज गर्नु पर्यो. 2AL1. This will give us the surface area of this pillar. एउटा पिलर को surface area आयो. अब यसलाई 2 ले मल्टिप्लाई गरिदिनु पर्यो. From outside multiply this whole value by 2. यो पुरै भ्यालुलाई कतिले मल्टिप्लाई गर्नु पर्यो त multiply it by 2 to get the area of 2 pillars. And after getting this area, multiply this area by the rate. Rate ले multiply कर दिएपछि cost of tile to put in the pillars we will get. यो पिलरहरुमा लगाउनु पर्ने टाइल को कस्ट आइहाल्छ. So just look at its solution. For cuboid, length, breadth and height are 1 feet, 1 feet and 6 feet. For pyramid, length of base is 1 feet, height H1 is 1 feet. It is said 1 feet height of pyramid is kept above the pillar. Pillar माथि 1 feet height भएको pyramid राखिएको छ cuboid माथि. And we know the formula for pyramid. L square is equal to H square plus A by 2 square. From it we will get slant height of pyramid, and I obtained here 1.118. By using this formula we will get area. Calculate it yourself.